How to delete all archived stories on Instagram. If you've got a lot of archived stories on Instagram and want to delete them all, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to delete all archived stories on Instagram, so let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner and tap on the three horizontal bars. From there, simply go to Archive and simply tap on Storage Archive. First, let's go to Story setting. Here, as you can see, we have saved story to archive. Simply make that toggle off so that your story will not be saved in archive automatically. Now let's go back to deleting the story. Now simply find the story that you want to delete, tap on the three dots and simply click on delete story. A confirmation prompt will appear. Simply click on delete. You can do this for each and every story that you have created. And that's it. That's how you can simply delete your archive story in Instagram.